Hi everyone, my name is Christy and I have such a fun unboxing video today. So in this box, I have some products from the brand Kismet Cosmetics. And I actually have here the Kismet Pure Vitamin C Primer. And this is seriously one of the best primers I've ever tried. I got this in an Ipsy box, so I did a full dedicated review video on this primer, and I can have that video linked down below. So the brand Kismet was so nice and sent me some more products, so I wanted to do an unboxing video. But what makes this brand even better is that they are doing a giveaway, and it's super easy to enter. I'm going to unbox these products, and then at the end of the video I'll let you know all of the details on how to enter that giveaway. It's for a $50 online gift card to the Kismet Cosmetics website. And let me tell you, you are going to want to win that gift card because their products are so good. And so I'd like to give a little disclaimer. These products were sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. However, they also gave me a discount code. So the discount code is ChristyK20, and that'll get you 20% off your purchase on the Kismet Cosmetics website. I'll have my discount code linked in the description down below, but this brand is seriously hooking it up. We got a discount code, we've got a giveaway. I'm just so excited. So let me show you the products that I have in here. Oh my gosh, how cute is this box? Oh my gosh, I need to open this gently because I want to save this beautiful tissue paper. Okay. Oh, a cute card. And look at these beautiful products. They have such nice packaging. So let me pull out this one here. This is the Kismet Beautify Natural Lip Conditioner. Doesn't that just sound like a perfect product for me? I'm always talking about how dry my lips are and how much I love lip products. And it's pink. Oh, I'm so excited. Bright and Bubbly Lip Conditioner. Ooh, it's made with olive oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, and soy wax to give your lips a deep burst of moisture and healthy boost. So you probably know that I have this series on my channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I will of course be trying out these products. Oh my God. I shouldn't have smelled that while I was talking because now I got distracted. Let me finish that sentence. I will be trying these products out in full dedicated review videos, so make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on those. But oh my gosh, this smells like cotton candy. It smells amazing. I am so excited about this. I'm resisting touching it right now because, like I said, I'm gonna save that for the full dedicated review video. All right, let's pull out, ooh, this product here. It's a little heavy. Gotta be careful. Ooh, the liquid foundation. So this is Kismet Fixed Liquid Foundation. Fashion is head to toe. Make your skin your statement piece. I love that. I oftentimes do try and focus on my skin as being the focal point of like my makeup look, my look in general. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. It's got gorgeous glass packaging. Ooh, this sounds awesome. It's supposed to nourish, correct, and protect. It has green tea, vitamin E, and chamomile in it to keep the skin moisturized. Oh my gosh, so many cool ingredients in here that I honestly don't know how to pronounce. Medium to full coverage, natural flawless finish. Oh, it even includes SPF 8. I love that. Ooh, it says it goes great with the vitamin C primer. Oh, of course, everything goes great with the vitamin C primer. I'm so excited to try out this combo. This is so exciting. I love foundations. And even better, when a foundation has so many amazing ingredients in it to also be nourishing the skin while you're looking great with your flawless complexion. All right, the next product here, All of these products look so pretty together with the packaging. Just like so aesthetically pleasing. Ooh, this is the Kismet by You. Is that what that says? 24-hour liquid eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This color, oh my gosh. This, when I'm just looking at it right away, it makes me think of the holiday season. It's kind of like a cranberry red shade. This is so pretty. Like, wouldn't this be perfect for like a Christmas party? Can't get ahead of myself. That's a long ways away. So this shade is called Royalty. This one, the packaging is so cute. It says, fashion is head to toe. Make your eyes your statement piece. I love doing that too. Paraben free, cruelty free. That goes for all the products. I can't wait to try this out. Ooh, doe foot applicator. Okay, I can't resist. I'm gonna do a little swatch. Oh my gosh. The pigment and the color. This is gorgeous. Like, look at that metallic shine, that insane pigment. I can't wait to try this on my eye. And then the last but not least, Kismet Velvet Semi-Matte Lipstick in the shade Crushed Coral. Oh, I can't wait to see the color. Ooh, this has some nice weight to it as well. Oh, this color is so pretty. Now this gives me summery vibes. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch of this as well. Oh, that is beautiful. I love that color. It's bright and fun. And that seems so creamy and pigmented. Wow. Ooh, it's supposed to be moisturizing, long lasting. So excited. I got so many amazing products. I am so excited. From the foundation to the lip products, the eyes. I don't know which one I'm more excited about. Oh my gosh, I feel so thankful, so lucky that I got these. Thank you so much to Kismet for sending me these products and for doing the giveaway. Oh my gosh, I got distracted by the products. I'm sorry, I almost forgot to say how to enter the giveaway, but don't worry, I would never leave you guys hanging like that. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is comment down below. Let me know which of these products you are most interested in, and then leave your Instagram handle in the comment. And then you also will need to go ahead and follow Kismet Cosmetics on Instagram and do those two things, and you are entered in the giveaway. The winner will be chosen in about a week from when this video goes up, and it's for a $50 online gift card for the Kismet Cosmetics website. And like I said before, I have a discount code that will get you 20% off the website. Just use the code ChristyK20. And you know, this is not part of the rules on how to enter the giveaway, but while you're on Instagram, if you want to give me a follow, my Instagram is @thelifeofchristina. I would love that. But to enter the giveaway for a $50 gift card, all you have to do is comment down below, make sure you leave your Instagram handle, and follow Kismet Cosmetics on Instagram as well. Those two things, you'll be entered, and good luck to everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.